just too damn cool. I'm out in the middle of the Intercoastal Waterway here on a train trestle, man. This is cool. Check this crap out. That's where it opens up at. Look over there. That goes over to Pamlico County. I guess Bridgeton and all that. Back it up. This shit is awesome. What's up, man? I'm making a video. That's awesome, man. How are we going? I'm just taking a video as I'm going. You see over here in the shade where I was standing, there's fish everywhere, dude. Everywhere. Man, this is awesome. I'm going. Down there. Yeah, that's what I'm walking on. That is awesome. Out in the middle of the damn water. This is what it feels like to be a train. Roll me on down that road. Alright, late.